Hello, health buddies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have topic about turmeric and its health benefits. Have you ever wondered about the remarkable effects of turmeric on your daily health? It's time to shine a spotlight on this vibrant and often underestimated spice. In today's video, we're delving into the wonders of turmeric, revealing its potent benefits, and exploring how it can transform your health in ways you might not have imagined. If you're eager to turn your everyday meals into your personal wellness formula, you won't want to miss this. Get ready to reevaluate your spice cabinet because we're about to dive into the golden world of turmeric. Before we dive into our top tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay connected with us and informed about health tips. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Turmeric and brain benefits. Let's start with the incredible impact of daily turmeric on your brain. Could this golden magic do more than just add color and flavor to your dishes? Could it potentially counteract one of the most feared diseases of our time, Alzheimer's? Number 2. Turmeric and heart health. Have you ever pondered how a dash of vibrant turmeric could protect your heart? Considering that heart disease claims millions of lives worldwide, it's intriguing to explore how this humble spice could help shield our hearts. Number 3. Turmeric and cancer prevention. Did you know that countries where turmeric is a staple reportedly have lower cancer rates? Discover the correlation between turmeric and cancer prevention in this segment. Number 4. Turmeric and managing depression. In a world where millions battle depression, the simple addition of turmeric to your daily routine could provide a much-needed mental health boost. Find out how this golden spice can potentially combat inflammation linked to depression. Number 5. Turmeric and arthritis relief. Do your joints creak and groan, causing you discomfort or even pain? Turmeric, renowned for its anti-inflammatory powers, may just be the ally you need in the battle against arthritis. Number 6. Turmeric and diabetes management. This is the true power of turmeric, its star compound, curcumin. Learn how it could potentially reduce your risk of developing diabetes and even rejuvenate the function of pancreatic cells. Number 7. Turmeric and cholesterol regulation. Turmeric is a secret weapon for managing cholesterol levels. Discover how this spice can help balance both good and bad cholesterol, contributing to your heart health. Number 8. Turmeric and liver health. Did you know that turmeric can also be a friend to your liver? It may aid in detoxification and protect your liver from various toxins and harmful compounds. Let's explore the impact of this golden spice on liver health. Number 9. Turmeric and Digestive Aid. Turmeric offers a helping hand in improving digestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an irritated digestive tract, making it a potential remedy for indigestion and bloating. Let's uncover the digestive benefits of this magical spice. Number 10. Turmeric in skincare. But wait, there's more. Turmeric isn't just beneficial when consumed. It's also a superstar in skincare. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it can help address skin issues, such as acne and dark spots. Discover how to harness turmeric's magic for healthy, radiant skin. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting insights into the world of wellness. We'll see you in the next video.